Welcome viewers, I am Tutor Cletus Okoli. Today's math class we shall be solving an Olympiad math question that is given that if 16 raised to power x minus 1 is equal to 2 raised to power x also raised to power 2, then what should be the value of x? Watch to the end and subscribe to my channel. Alright, solution to the question. 16 raised to power x minus 1 is equal to 2 raised to power x also raised to power 2. I want you to see that 16 is the same as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 4 times. And 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 2 here is 4, and 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. Therefore, we can say that 16 is the same as 2 raised to power 4. I will now come to the left hand side and represent 16 as 2 raised to power 4. Then, also raised to power x minus 1 equal to 2 raised to power x all to the power of 2. By law of indices, if I have x raised to power a, then raised to power b, it is the same as x raised to power ab, that is a multiply b, by law of indices. What it means is that I'm going to multiply 4 inside the bracket with the expression outside the bracket, which is x minus 1. And doing that, I will have it written 2 raised to power 4 multiplied by x, which is 4x. And 4 multiplied by minus 1 will give me minus 4. Then everything is equal to 2 raised to power x, also raised to power 2. In indices, if I have it that a is raised to power x equal to a also raised to power y, what this thing means, because the bases are the same, it means the powers also will be equal, that x is equal to y. It is the law of indices. What it means is that applying it here is that the bases are the same. So by the left is a, by the right is a. Both of the bases gives me 2. That means the bases can now cancel out, leaving me with the powers, which is 4x minus 4 equal to x raised to power 2. Remember, I am looking for the value of x. That can make the two expressions of both sides of the equation to be equal. Now, at this, I want to move what I have from the left to the right hand side so that it will now result to x raised to power 2. 4x will now be minus 4x, and the minus 4 becomes plus 4, everything equal to 0. What I have done now is that I moved 4x minus 4 to the right hand side so that the signs begins to change. That is, plus 4x becomes minus 4x, and minus 4 changes to plus 4. Alright. At this point, it has become a quadratic equation. I want to resolve it using factorization method of solving quadratic equation. There are so many methods, but I want to use factorization method. And in this factorization method, I will look for two numbers that the product will give me plus 4. While the add sum will give me minus 4, okay? Two numbers that when I multiply them, I will get plus 4. And when I add the two numbers, I get minus 4. And the two numbers are, from multiplication, the product of the two numbers are minus 2 and the minus 2. Because minus 2, okay, multiplied by minus 2 will give me plus 4. For the sum, if I have minus 2, okay, plus minus 2, it is going to be minus 2. Plus minus is minus. So both of them will now give me minus 2 minus 2, which is equal to minus 4. Now that I have found the two numbers, I will use it to replace the middle value to write my value as x raised to power 2. Now minus 4x becomes minus 2x minus 2x, then plus 4 equal to 0. I simply replace the middle, 4 minus 4x, with minus 2x minus 2x, which is the same thing as minus 4x. At this point, I put them in the brackets and then factorize what is common. In the first bracket, x is common, leaving me inside the bracket x minus 2. In the second bracket, you can also agree with me that minus 2 is common, leaving me inside the bracket with the x minus 2, everything equal to 0. What this thing implies is that minus 2 times x will give me minus 2x, and minus 2 times minus 2 will change to plus 4, okay? That means that what I have at the bracket here is correctly factored here. Good. The two brackets are the same. I'll use what is outside the bracket to form another bracket, which is x minus 2, x minus 2. And taking one of the brackets, it is also x minus 2, everything equal to 0. This implies that the two brackets are each equal to 0. Now, the first bracket, x minus 2, is equal to 0, meaning that x is equal to 2. From the second bracket, x minus 2 is equal to 0, meaning that x is also equal to 2. So we can say that x is equal to 2 twice, okay? Because here the answer is 2. In the second bracket, the answer is also 2. Check result. We want to see what we have solved, if it is correct. From the original question, 16 raised to power x minus 1 equal to 2 raised to power x raised to power 2. So since my answer is 2 twice, I want to replace x with 2 to see what the two sides of the expression will look like. Now, this becomes 16 raised to power 2 minus 1 equal to 2 raised to power 2 raised to power 2. And from here, 2 minus 1 is 1, and 16 raised to power 1 will give me 16. From here, 2 raised to power 2 is 4, and the 2 raised to power 4, of course, is 16. So we have it that 16 is equal to 16. Authenticating the answer we got, and the value of x is equal to 2 twice. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Subscribe to my channel and also share my videos to your learning colleagues. God bless you.